back to my YouTube channel. I'm so very much excited. Like if you see from my face, I'm excited, very much excited because I'm going to be listening to Carpenters today again. I've reacted to them before. If you've not checked my first reaction, go check it out. It was amazing. And today I'm going to be listening to them again. Like okay, so the title of the song I'll be reacting to is Rainy Days and Mondays. Like Rainy Days and Mondays, okay? Alright guys, before we get into this reaction, so don't forget to click your subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe guys, like, drop a comment on what you think about today's video and about them and all that. And don't forget to drop in some suggestion of song you want me to react, either by the Carpenters or by any other singers, and I will gladly do it. So let's get into this video. I'm so much excited. Okay.
Talking to myself and feel old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. It seems I always
she playing drum. Are you serious? Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
To know somebody loves me.
Wow.
Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. It seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about.
Oh my goodness, Carpenter. Okay, first of all, I'm surprised. I'm shocked. She played the drum. Like, not only can she sing very well, she can play the instrument. Like, and I'm here. I can't do any. I cannot sing to save myself. I can't even play the drum. I cannot do anything. Oh my goodness, I need to go and learn something. Like, I was shocked. Like, the first time I listened to her, she just She was just singing. And now listen to her singing at the same time, playing the drum at the same time, doing both. Because normally you sing with energy and use the energy to drum. So doing the two at the same time is amazing. Like, I'm amazed. Like, oh my goodness, I really enjoyed listening to her. Vibe and energy is awesome. Alright guys, I really enjoyed today's video and I hope you did too. Alright guys, so please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so guys, so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Like, please. Alright guys, and see you guys on my next video. Take care of yourself and I love you guys. Don't forget that. Bye.